President Trump's travel ban is about to be renewed by the highest court in the country.
The Supreme Court. The ban restricts travel from several mostly Muslim countries, and that's raised big constitutional questions. Cara Finnstrom is here, and she has the latest. Cara?
The justices are going to start hearing this morning arguments about some tough, divisive questions. So in Washington, some people have actually been sitting in line for days to try and get a seat to this. There are limited seats available to hear the court. Well, the president first introduced his travel ban back in January of last year, and it spurred protests, as you may remember, at airports.
Refugees are welcome here. The Muslim ban is not true.
The initial ban was aimed at 7 countries, and there was chaos as travelers were stopped from boarding international flights and detained for hours. The president said the goal was to bolster security, but several states filed lawsuits, and a federal judge blocked that ban. Since then, it's undergone changes, and the Supreme Court ruled an updated version could stand until it considers arguments. The version they're going to look at today indefinitely restricts travel from the majority Muslim countries of Iran, Libya, Somalia, Syria, Yemen, and Chad. It also puts restrictions on travel from Venezuela and North Korea. The administration says the restrictions are due to the country's inabilities to provide the U.S. with data about potential travelers. This morning, the justices are going to consider whether their policies violate immigration laws or the Constitution. And 2 of the underlying questions here: whether the president can indefinitely keep people out of the country based on nationality, and whether the policy aims to exclude Muslims from the U.S. Because of all the interest in this, the court is also taking the very rare step of making audio recordings of today's proceedings. And